The flowers are doing so beautiful right now. This is a month after the hurricane, and the flowers they are looking exceptionally beautiful, right? They come back up so beautiful. They are so green and fresh and beautiful. This is them all over the place, and they are blooming up. They are so beautiful. Yes, yes. This is my garden, and it's looking very, very lovely. 1 month after Melissa, they are looking wonderful. These were done today. I redo those. Everything is looking so wonderful, 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 wonderful. Palm and everything. All the plants.